Most people sell them too early and regret it later. While everyone chases the latest releases, a quiet group of underrated firearms is skyrocketing in value behind the scenes. Collectors are buying, prices are climbing, and supply is shrinking fast. In this video, we're revealing 10 overlooked guns that could soon be worth far more than you ever expected. Number 10. FN P9. Opening our list at number 10 is a pistol that represents FN Herstall's deep-rooted service weapon heritage brought to the civilian and law enforcement market in one of the most well-rounded full-size duty packages the brand has ever produced. The FN P9 may not carry the modern optics-ready specifications of newer 2026 platforms, but it delivers a level of reliability, durability, and shooter-focused engineering that reflects over a century of FN military firearms development condensed into a remarkably capable 9mm service pistol. The FNP9 features a 4-inch hammer-forged barrel, weighs 25.2 ounces unloaded, and delivers a 16+1 round capacity, making it one of the higher capacity full-size duty pistols available at its price point without requiring extended magazines or aftermarket modifications. The double-action / single-action trigger system delivers a first-shot double-action pull followed by a crisp single-action pull for subsequent rounds, with the double action pull measuring approximately 8 pounds and the single action breaking cleanly between 3 and 4 pounds. The pistol ships with 3 stainless steel magazines and 2 interchangeable back straps that allow shooters to customize grip thickness to their hand size right out of the box. Ambidextrous decocking levers and a reversible magazine release make it fully adaptable for both right and left-handed operators. Retail pricing typically falls between $450 and $550, making the FNP9 a compelling entry point on this list. Number 9. Ruger P89. Opening the list at number 9 is a pistol that built Ruger's reputation in the centerfire semi-automatic market and delivered military-grade durability at a price point that made serious 9mm ownership accessible to a much wider audience than premium European imports of the same era. The Ruger P89 arrived in 1989 as a refined evolution of the original P85 and immediately earned a loyal following among shooters who valued absolute mechanical reliability over refined aesthetics or premium trigger feel. Ruger engineers designed this pistol to function under conditions that would challenge far more expensive competitors, and the platform delivered on that promise consistently across decades of real-world use. The P89 features a 4.5-inch barrel that delivers strong velocity performance with standard pressure 9mm ammunition and contributes to a useful sight radius for accurate shooting at defensive distances. The pistol weighs 32 ounces unloaded, reflecting its all-metal construction, combining an aluminum alloy frame with a stainless steel slide that provides exceptional corrosion resistance for a pistol at this price point. Magazine capacity is 15 rounds, which was genuinely competitive for a full-size service pistol of its era. The double-action / single-action trigger system delivers a heavier first shot pull followed by a lighter single action pull for subsequent rounds. Retail pricing in the used market typically falls between $250 and $400, making it one of the most affordable quality metal frame 9mm pistols available to collectors and practical shooters in 2026. Number 8. Walther P5. At number 8 is a pistol that represents West German engineering philosophy at its most disciplined and purposeful. The Walther P5 was developed in the 1970s in direct response to stringent German police service requirements that demanded drop safety, reliable function, and consistent performance under demanding operational conditions. Walther delivered a pistol that met every specification while simultaneously producing one of the most ergonomically refined service pistols of its entire generation. The P5 never achieved the global commercial visibility of competitors like the Beretta 92 or SIG P226, but among serious collectors and European firearms historians, it occupies a position of genuine respect and admiration. The P5 features a 3.54-inch barrel that keeps the overall package compact enough for duty carry while still delivering adequate sight radius for accurate police service shooting at realistic engagement distances. The pistol weighs approximately 28 ounces unloaded with its aluminum alloy frame and steel slide combination, providing a well-balanced feel that many shooters find immediately natural during initial handling. Magazine capacity is 8 rounds of 9mm, which reflects the single-stack design philosophy prioritized for slim carry characteristics during the era of its development. The double action / single action trigger with a decocker rather than a traditional safety reflects Walther's commitment to safe yet rapid deployment. Collector pricing typically falls between $600 and $900 depending on condition and generation, reflecting its limited production numbers and strong European collector demand in 2026. Number 7. CZ75. Pre-B number 7 belongs to a pistol widely regarded among serious collectors and competitive shooters as one of the finest service pistol designs ever produced anywhere in the world during the 20th century. The CZ75 Pre-B represents the earliest production variant of the CZ75 platform, manufactured in Czechoslovakia before the design underwent later generation revisions. And it is this original configuration that collectors and enthusiasts pursue most aggressively in 2026 for its combination of historical significance and genuinely excellent shooting characteristics. The Pre-B features a 4.7-inch barrel that contributes to exceptional sight radius and smooth cycling characteristics that shooters consistently describe as superior to many Western contemporaries of the same period. The pistol weighs approximately 35 ounces unloaded, with its all-steel construction delivering the kind of solid, confidence-inspiring feel that modern polymer pistols simply cannot replicate regardless of their mechanical superiority in other areas. Magazine capacity is 15 rounds, which was remarkable for a double-stack service pistol of its 1975 introduction era and reflects the forward-thinking design philosophy CZ engineers applied throughout the platform. It's the double action / single action trigger system with the option to carry cocked and locked in single action mode mirrors 1911 practice while delivering higher capacity. Collector pricing for genuine Pre-B examples in good condition typically ranges between $700 and $1,200 in 2026 depending on import markings, finish condition, and magazine originality. Number 6. Smith & Wesson 5906. At number 6 is a pistol that served American law enforcement agencies with distinction across 2 decades and represents the pinnacle of Smith & Wesson's third-generation semi-automatic development program. The 5906 arrived as the stainless steel full-size variant of the third-generation 5.9 series family and immediately became one of the most widely adopted law enforcement service pistols in American history. Appearing on the belts of officers from small municipal departments to major federal agencies throughout the 1990s and into the early 2000s before polymer pistols gradually displaced it. The 5906 features a 4-inch barrel delivering reliable 9mm velocity performance with the full range of duty ammunition loads used during its service era and beyond. The all-stainless steel construction gives the pistol an unloaded weight of approximately 38 ounces, which is substantial but contributes directly to the smooth recoil impulse and minimal muzzle rise that officers who carried this platform consistently praised during qualification and duty use. Magazine capacity is 15 rounds, standard for full-size double-stack 9mm service pistols of its generation. The double-action / single-action trigger system with a frame-mounted decocking safety lever reflects law enforcement preference for a manual safety option during the platform's primary service era. Number 5. Browning High Power. Number 5 belongs to one of the most historically significant pistols ever designed, a firearm whose influence on subsequent handgun development spanning nearly 9 decades is impossible to fully quantify. The Browning High Power, designed by John Moses Browning and completed by Dieudonné Saive after Browning's death, it's introduced the double-stack magazine to the service pistol world in 1935 and established a design precedent that virtually every subsequent high-capacity service pistol owes a direct intellectual debt to. It served with military forces on both sides of World War II and continued in active military service with dozens of nations well into the 21st century. The High Power features a 4.65-inch barrel delivering excellent 9mm ballistic performance and contributing to the platform's reputation for natural accuracy that generations of military and competitive shooters have confirmed across decades of use worldwide. The all-steel construction produces an unloaded weight of approximately 32 ounces that balances beautifully in hand and contributes to the pistol's exceptional natural pointability. Magazine capacity is 13 rounds, which was revolutionary revolutionary at the time of introduction and remained competitive for decades. The single-action trigger, while occasionally criticized for a magazine disconnect safety that affects pull quality in original configuration, responds exceptionally well to professional gunsmithing attention. Collector pricing varies enormously from $600 for common commercial variants to several $1,000s for military contract examples with documented provenance in 2026. Number 4. Colt Python. Arriving at number 4 is a revolver that occupies a position in American firearms culture that transcends ordinary collector interest and enters the realm of genuine iconic status. The Colt Python was introduced in 1955 as Colt's premium .357 Magnum revolver and immediately established itself as the finest production double-action revolver manufactured in the United States through a combination of hand-fitted internal components, exceptional trigger quality, and a level of fit and finish that Colt's custom shop craftsmen invested considerable time achieving on every example that left the factory. The Python features a 4-inch barrel in the most common configuration, with 2.5-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch variants also produced throughout its original manufacturing run, each delivering different performance characteristics suited to different applications from concealed carry to target shooting. You see, the original Python weighed approximately 41.5 ounces with the 4-inch barrel, providing substantial mass that smoothed the .357 Magnum recoil impulse considerably compared to lighter revolvers chambering the same cartridge. Cylinder capacity is 6 rounds, standard for double-action revolvers of its platform and era. The legendary Python trigger is what collectors and shooters pursue most aggressively. With a double-action pull that original examples deliver smoothly and consistently in ways that modern production firearms rarely replicate. Original pre-discontinuation Python examples command between $1,800 and $4,000 in 2026 collector markets depending on condition, configuration, and documentation. Number 3. Beretta 92 FS Inox. At number 3 is the stainless steel variant of perhaps the most recognizable service pistol in modern popular culture, a firearm whose screen presence, military adoption history, and mechanical refinement combined to make it one of the most compelling collector and shooter pieces available in 2026. The Beretta 92 FS Inox takes everything the standard blued 92 FS delivers and presents it in a brushed stainless steel finish that provides enhanced corrosion resistance and a distinctive visual elegance that the standard model, despite its own considerable appeal, simply cannot match aesthetically. And the 92 FS Inox features a 4.9-inch barrel that delivers exceptional sight radius and smooth cycling characteristics rooted in Beretta's open slide design that ejects spent casings reliably and consistently across enormous round counts and varied ammunition types. The all-metal construction combining an aluminum alloy frame with a stainless steel slide produces an unloaded weight of 33.3 ounces that balances superbly and contributes to the platform's excellent recoil management during rapid fire. Magazine capacity is 15 rounds, and the double-action/single-action trigger system with an ambidextrous safety decocker reflects the military service requirements the 92 series was designed to satisfy. The open slide design reduces stovepiping malfunctions and keeps the barrel cooler during extended firing sessions. Retail pricing for new production Inox examples typically falls between $849 and $999 in 2026. While the combination of military heritage and distinctive stainless finish makes this one of the most display-worthy pistols in any serious collection. Number 2. Heckler Koch P7. Coming in at an impressive number 2 is a pistol that represents perhaps the single most unconventional approach to service pistol engineering ever successfully adopted by a major military and law enforcement organization. The Heckler Koch P7 introduced a squeeze cocker operating system unlike anything that came before or has been widely replicated since, with a lever integrated into the front strap of the grip that must be compressed to cock the striker and allow the pistol to fire. Release the grip and the pistol decocks instantly and completely passive, eliminating the need for manual safety manipulation while providing a consistent single-action trigger pull from the first shot through the last. The P7 features a 4.13-inch polygonal rifled barrel that delivers exceptional accuracy and velocity consistency with a wide range of 9mm ammunition, with the polygonal rifling also contributing to easier cleaning and longer barrel life compared to conventional rifling patterns. The pistol weighs approximately 29.6 ounces unloaded with its steel construction construction, providing excellent durability and corrosion resistance. Magazine capacity is 8 rounds in the original single-stack P7 configuration. On with the later P7M13 variant, expanding to 13 rounds in a double-stack arrangement. The unique gas-retarded blowback operating system produces an extremely smooth recoil impulse that experienced shooters consistently describe as unlike any other pistol they have fired. Collector pricing for genuine HK-P7 examples in good condition typically falls between $1,800 and $3,500 in 2026, reflecting the platform's cult following and limited availability on the used market. Number 1. SIG Sauer P228. Claiming the top position on this classic pistols list is a compact service pistol that achieved something genuinely rare in firearms development: near universal acceptance across military, law enforcement, intelligence, and civilian carry communities simultaneously, earning a reputation for reliability, accuracy, and durability that decades of real-world service have only reinforced rather than diminished. The SIG Sauer P228 was adopted by the United States military as the M11, carried by FBI agents, Secret Service personnel, and Special Operations Forces worldwide, and simultaneously earned a devoted civilian following among serious carry practitioners who recognized its exceptional balance of compact dimensions and full-size performance. The P228 features a 3.86-inch barrel that delivers excellent 9mm performance while keeping the overall package compact enough for concealed carry in a variety of holster configurations. The all-metal construction, combining an aluminum alloy frame with a carbon steel slide, produces an unloaded weight of approximately 29.1 ounces that feels substantial and confidence-inspiring without becoming burdensome during extended carry. Magazine capacity is 13 rounds. And competitive for a compact double-stack service pistol of its era, and still entirely relevant for defensive carry purposes in 2026. The double-action/single-action trigger system with a decocking lever rather than a traditional safety reflects SIG's commitment to safe carry with rapid first-shot capability that requires no manual safety disengagement during the draw stroke. Used and collector market pricing typically falls between $700 and $1,100 in 2026, depending on generation, proof marks, and condition, making the P228 the definitive classic carry pistol on this entire list. The 10 most underrated guns that are skyrocketing in value. The crazy part, most people still don't see it coming. While the spotlight stays on the newest releases, serious collectors are quietly grabbing these gems before prices climb even higher. If you own one of these, you might be sitting on a gold mine. If not, it might be time to start watching the market closely. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart gun content, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next opportunity. I'll see you in the next one.